हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने हिंदी में तो ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के बारे में पढ़ाई। आज हम इंग्लिश में भी ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। इसके पहले ऑब्जेक्टिव्स देखेंगे, फिर इंट्रोडक्शंस देखेंगे, फिर डेफिनेशंस देखेंगे, फिर इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्टडी ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट देखेंगे, फिर फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंस ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट देखेंगे, फिर हेरिडिटी फैक्टर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, फिर एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, फिर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, डेवलपमेंट स्टेजेस एंड एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ चाइल्डहुड डेवलपमेंट, फिर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट पैरामीटर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे एंड आंसर क्वेश्चंस से देखेंगे। थोड़े बहुत ऑब्जेक्टिव्स देखते हैं हम। इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ते हैं हम। एंड introduction. An understanding of human growth and development is important for every person interested in the care of children. The knowledge helps to determine whether or not a child is healthy, mentally alert, and well adjusted to the environmental. मतलब हमारे ह्यूमन ग्रोथ मीन्स हमारी वृद्धि में हमारे लोगों को स्वस्थ होना चाहिए, मेंटली प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए, जो एनवायरमेंटल से हमें मिलती है। Growth is an important attribute of childhood. The process of growth starts from the conceptions of the fetus and the continues till adolescence when the children mature into in the adulthood. The terms growth and development are generally interpreted to include all of the processes with the lead to increase in the size and maturation of function of the various organs of the body. Every child grow and the development responds to a predetermined a plan. This plan is established at the time of conception. However, environmental conditions, stimulations to influence the growth and development patterns. In this the unit you shall learn about the general concepts of growth and development and children. You will also learn about the importance factors, characteristics of the growth and development. The unit also process on the various stages and the periods and the aspects of growth and development and the physical growth and the development as various stages of childhood. At the end, you will learn about the implication of the growth and the important development of nursing. We shall begin with the definitions and importance of growth and developments. हम growth and development की definitions देखते हैं. The term growth and development are closely interrelated. वृद्धि एवं विकास एक दूसरे से अंत संबंधित है and it's not possible to separate one from the other. In a normal child, they parallel each other, but the terms are not the same. सब बच्चे एक जैसे ही नॉर्मल होते हैं, बट सबकी टर्म्स एक जैसे नहीं होते, सबकी क्वांटिटी क्वालिटी अलग अलग होती है. द रिप्रेजेंट टू एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द चेंज आई quantity and the quality. The body growth and behavior development. Let's us now define that term as follow. Growth refer to an increase in the size of the body parts due to a multiplication of the cell and the increase in the intercells substance. It can be measured in the inches of the centimeters and in a kilograms or a pounds. हम ग्रोथ को मीन्स वृद्धि को सेंटीमीटर में, किलोग्राम में, पाउंड में नाप सकते हैं. It causes a quantitative changes in the body. Each child has a different genetic potential for growth. Development refers to psychological maturation. It's a progressive increase of skill, and the capacity of to function. It causes a qualitative changes in the child's functioning. Unlike a growth, it is rather difficult to assess development. The term and maturation is used are synonym to development. Let us see what a maturation means. हम मैचुरेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Maturation causes an increase in the competence and the ability of function at the higher level depending on the child heredity. आनुवंशिकता पर आधारित होती है हमारी मैचुरेशन. डेवलपमेंट एंड मैचुरेशन, वृद्धि एंड परिपक्वता आर प्रोसेसिंग आर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ग्रोथ, जो हमारे वृद्धि वृद्धि को प्रोसेस करती है. Importance of the study of growth and the development. It's important to understand the period of growth and development which extends throughout the life cycle of the childhood, during which the principal changes occur. The knowledge would help the nurse understand the behavior of parents and other adults who provide care for the child. Intelligent handling of the children not only require the knowledge of growth and development but also how such a development can be influenced favorably. Know what to expect of a particular child at an age, and at what age certain kind of the behavior are likely to emerge in the mature forms. Assist the children in terms of norms to a specific age stage of development for guiding the children into more mature behavior if the sequence of the development behavior in the understood. Can recognize from the growth charts the very variations in the growth from the normals. Diagnosis undernutrition, infections, and other diseases affecting growth in the children and also understand the reason for the same. Recognize the potential problem and the strength of the individual children and the parents. Assist parents in the environmental modification to keep pace with new emerging needs and the capacities of the children to enable them to achieve optimal growth and the development. Can help the parents to work through in the consistency in the child rearing practice so that their children will feel secure in the fulfilling their adult roles. Plan the nurturing management and to help in implementing the plan for the comprehensive care of the child. Work with children effectively in the health and his sickness. Factor influence and the growth and development. Growth and development are regulated by a complex balance between the heredity, genetic constitution, and the environmental factor. All interdependent heredity determines the extent of growth and development that are possible, but the environmental determines the degree to which the potential in the achieved. We shall try to explain this factor under two major handling, heredity and environmental, as the given below. Heredity factor, आनुवंशिकता. And heredity refers to genetic constitution of an individual which is established during conception. आनुवंशिकता हमारे बच्चे के गर्भ से होती है, जब बच्चा गर्भ में होता है. It is a property of the organic being by the which offsprings have a nature and the characteristics of the parents and ancestor, जो माता पिता के जिनसे बच्चों में होते हैं. From the parents the child receive a new combination of perinatal genes. Every individual supply of genes, the barrier of the hereditary factor in given to him once for all at the time of conception. जब बच्चा कंसीव होता है तब से उसके हेरिडिटी मीन्स माता पिता के अंश बच्चे में आ जाते हैं, जैसे उनके कलर, आइज़ का कलर, उनके फेस का कलर, उनके बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर सब माँ बाप पे ही जाता है. Color of the eyes, hair, facial features, structure of the body, physical peculiarities, blood group are the determined entirely by the heredity. सब हमें हेरिडिटी अनुवंशिकता से ही प्राप्त होती हैं. हेरिडिटरी इन्फ्लुएंस हैव अ bearing on the traits likely to exist in the child. It is because of this that members of a family bear physical resemblance to each other and a high degree of correlation and exist among siblings than among unrelated persons to stimulate the hereditary potential. The environmental stimulation must be on the right kind at the time when development normally occurs. Sex is determined its conception. लिंग बच्चे का जब माँ के गर्भ में होता है तभी होता है. आफ्टर बर्थ द मेल एंड इन्फेंट लॉन्गर एंड हैवियर देन द फीमेल इन्फेंट. Boys maintain superiority until about 11 years of age. Girls mature early than boy. लड़कियां लड़कों से पहले परिपक्वता प्राप्त करती हैं. वो लड़कों से जल्दी मेच्योरेशन उनमें आ जाती है. ड्यूरिंग द प्री पुबर्टी ग्रोथ support and thereafter the boys are again taller than girl. Environmental factors. Though heredity and the environment are closely interrelated, and each human being at the birth has gene determined physical, mental, biochemical potential, this potential may not be reached because of environmental influence. Stimulation to the development of innate abilities comes from the environmental influence. This potential only to a limited extent favorably on